Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out for the bottom there. So over here you've got telephone there, you've got your audio media system there. If we click on telephone, you'll see a list of phones that are already paired to it, and then pair new device. So we'll click pair new device. Use your device to search for Land Rover Discovery. So watching out at the bottom here, it's come up hands free, and we'll probably change unless it's picked up another car on the forecourt. There you go, Land Rover Discovery. So we'll click on Land Rover Discovery. Bluetooth pairing request, it matches there, so we click pair and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and there you go. Barry's iPhone 12 at the top. Now, another great thing with this is if we go to our music, I'll just turn that down actually, but if you look at the bottom there, hopefully you'll be able to see, but there's a silver triangle and 3 silver circles. If we just click on that, sorry, Mars bar fingers, there you go, you see Land Rover Discovery, there's a tick next to it. So anything that plays, any music that plays on here will play through the system. So it's playing here, I've got it turned down. We go over to here, you'll see the like clapperboard and the music note. If I click on there, at the moment it's playing on radio, but you see source up at the top, click on source, and there you go. So I've now selected my phone, and then when I turn this up, there you go. That's the music from my phone playing through here, and that'll work on Spotify, Amazon Prime, any soundtrack on a YouTube video, or any audio that's coming, Audible, audio books, whatever, that's how it'll work. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. Now, there's a way of doing it, and it's not as intuitive as you would hope, really. For instance, it's not under phone, but if you go to phone, it lists all the phones that are available there. However, if you go to settings, you've got DAB settings, all settings, and audio settings, so there's nothing there either. What you have to do, if I just click off there, what you have to do is click phone, then click settings, and now you've got phone settings and all settings there. So we want phone settings, and it's got settings for all phones, Bluetooth settings, paired devices, and forget all devices. Now I'll show you how. Click on paired device, and you'll see there, that's my phone there. I don't want to forget the device, so the new menu comes up there and you forget the device. Or alternatively, we'll go back to this menu, it's gone to all settings again there, so we'll go off that, go to phone, click on settings, phone settings, Bluetooth settings, forget all devices, forget all devices. That's it, they've all gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, what we actually need is the home screen, and that's the picture of the house there. So the home screen, and there you've got, at the moment we're on Orchard Close, you can set your home destination with that button there. That will, there you go, give you a choice: home, recent, shared, favourites. But what we want to do, if I just go back to there and click search, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road. Oops, where's the back? Double clicked. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and then over to the numbers 54JS. So that's it. Click enter. PR54JS, that's the one. Click on there, click start.